Crisis Services?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm scared.
Of what?
Keep informing me. I'm afraid of my microwave setting off fire alarm because of my problems with microwaves. And cooking macaroni cheese for dinner tonight.
Right.
First time I ever did this, and Andy's not sure if I did it properly.
What is it, like the little macaroni and cheese bowls that you just fill with water and put in the microwave?
Big bowl.
Big bowl? Okay, so you put the water in it?
Yeah, but it didn't say fill line on the box. Or on the package, rather. And I'm scared because it says, help prevent fire and add water to fill line. Do not leave microwave unattended.
Mm-hmm.
And it didn't say have a fill line that I saw. So Andy just wants you to be on the phone in case it starts fire or something.
You gotta keep an eye on it and make sure that there's enough water. How long do you have to microwave it for?
3.5 minutes on high, it said.
Okay.
Had 22 seconds.
You just, make sure there's enough water in it and you stir it around a little bit and you just watch it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can you make sure it's almost done?
So, showing people I know how to use a microwave. Unfortunately, it did not turn out the way I wanted it to. The fill line, I didn't see there's actually a notch inside the bowl that is higher than the indentation of the bottom that says fill to. That I did not fill to that line because did not see it. So unfortunately didn't add enough water to this, so Andy wasted $2. But it shows I know how to use a microwave, and this is the first time using this. And don't ever think I don't know how to use a microwave. It's not safe for me, and that's why I called Crisis Services to help me in case of something were to happen.